Good evening, friends. This is Vijay Kumar. As per our commitment, we are going on for 6th day today. So far we have been seeing what is digital marketing, why is digital marketing, how to do digital marketing, content is king, and how to create content that we discussed in 2 days. Now today we are going to talk about, okay, now you know how to create content, so you can create different contents, and now three main identities for your business, which is very important for us. Three main identities. What I talk about identity is having these things is important for your business. The first one is your website. We'll discuss completely, but first one is website. The second one is your Facebook page, and the third one is you should be listing your business in Google, that is called Google My Business. So these are the three main identities, and you can have also other social media things, but that is all okay, we'll discuss that in the later stages. But three main things: your website, your Facebook page, and your Google My Business listing. So website, obviously you have to have your domain, so you can purchase a domain. So that if you are talking about a .in domain, then it might cost you approximately around 750 rupees to 800 rupees per year. Or if you are talking about a .com, 1000 rupees. We take about tax and all these things, 1000 rupees. GoDaddy or any service provider, you can register your domain. So domain, why? Because that gives, it's going to be unique. For example, my domain is the digitalmania.com. So it is going to be a unique identity for you. So first thing is that. So you purchase a domain. So that is very important. Then we have to host it onto hosting services. For GoDaddy and all, you have 500 rupees also per month hosting. We can also suggest, free hostings are available where you can even use your own domain. For example, infinityfree.com is a website where you can host your websites free. You can even host a WordPress website there. So if at all you are cost constrained, thinking about investing on all these things, you can do it. But investing is very important. It doesn't cost much for you. 3000 rupees per year or 2000 rupees per year is what you are going to spend on your hosting account. You can have a normal Linux hosting with 500 GB or something. So your website, where the content is, again, when we talk about a content, so do I need to engage a website designer for that? If it is a small dynamic page, 3000 rupees, 2500 rupees is what they charge. If you we can also support you on that if you are interested in coming back to us. So small website can be done. That is it. When we talk about a website, there are contents is dynamic and also there is static. So website is going to be a static content, and there the blog, another thing, is going to be your dynamic content. So we can support you on that, but still, so website is very important. So spend some money on that, or you can at least buy a domain and then host it on a free hosting account. We can support you. If you want to support, please call us back. I can support you on hosting it on a free account or whatever, or we can also support you on the hosting thing. It is not to take business from you, but to inform you. We can support you on that. And next is your Facebook page. Why Facebook page? I have a Facebook profile. So anybody, definitely today, if you are not on Facebook, yes, you will be having it. So Facebook profile is there. Why then Facebook page? Facebook page is a separate identity for you, for your business. You have your profile, you may have your friends, relatives and all these people on that, but that is not a professional place where you comment on different aspects and all these things on your Facebook profile. But create a Facebook page. Facebook gives you free Facebook pages where you can create a Facebook page. On your Facebook profile, if you see, there is a column on the menu saying that Facebook page. I will put out a complete video, all this thing, later stages, so that the technical part of it we can work on. But still, Facebook, you can click there and create a page. For example, you can create your name on that. The page can be created with your identity again. I have a Facebook page called facebook.com the digital mania. So you can create again a unique identity there. So that's your Facebook page, which is very important, where you can, why Facebook page, there people can follow you. So on the profile, you may be friend with somebody, and it is not that they may get all the feeds what you are doing. But here, when you're on a Facebook page, you are creating your fan following or the business followers who wanted to hear from you. So that is called the Facebook page likes button. So you will have that Facebook page, and that is very important. Create your Facebook page, and it has all the different aspects of your business. Your themes are there. You can create those things. So that is the important thing, Facebook page. Then comes your Google My Business, a free tool for you. Why not? If at all I am going to spend money and place myself on the Google, why not I have it on Google My Business, which is very important today. So you just type Google My Business, you will see there you can manage your business. It will say log in with your username password, that is your Gmail ID, because Google gives you on your Gmail ID. When your business is there, you can set your address, your working hours, your website can be clicked there, set there, and your phone number, the contact details, all those things can be set. And most importantly, Google allows you to post also, like how you post on your Facebook page or Instagram or the social medias. You can also post on your Google My Business page, and you can track how people are coming, and it also allows people to call from there, search for your, it also is on the Google Maps. So it allows the customer to search for you, for your directions if you have a physical location. So it is very important for you. And you can also have the call button there. People can call from there itself to your page. Instead of spending your money on Just Dial or something, you can spend it on Google My Business. Trust me, if you are listing your business today on Google My Business, you can see the difference from the day one, people visiting you, how they search for you. So it is very, very important you to be on the Google My Business. Again, if you require any support, we can support you on how to list yourself on Google My Business. We charge very economically on that, to list you on your Google My Business, and also to post on the Google My Business. It is not, I am not trying to sell you something, but if you, in case you require any support, we are there to help you on Google My Business. So very important. So these are the three very important aspects: your website, your Facebook page, and your Google My Business. All these three areas we can support you. If you require, you can come back to us. We are ready to support you on all these three areas. But these three areas are very important for you. Please check if you are not on any of these. If you don't have a Facebook page, if you don't have a website, or if you don't have a Google My Business listing, please go ahead and do it immediately. See how your business transforms. You will get a lot of inquiries. You will have visibility on the internet. Thank you very much, friends. We'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.